Tools vocabulary. 65 tools names in English. Okay, let's dive into the topic. Toolbox. Wrench or spanner. Adjustable wrench. Monkey wrench. Allen wrench. Socket wrench. Socket. Nut. Bolt. Nut driver. Washer. Screw. Screwdriver. Tester screwdriver. Folded screwdriver. Screwdriver bits. Bull nose pliers. Needle nose pliers. Diagonal cutting pliers. Wire stipper. Wire cutter. Pipe cutter. Hand drill. Electric drills. Drill bits. Vise. Handsaw. Tendon saw. Hacksaw. Fret saw. Circular saw. Chainsaw. Miter saw. Nail. Hammer. Plane. Chisel. Filer. Level. Steel wool. Tweezer. Curved tip tweezer. Scissor. Knife. Utility knife. Swiss Army knife. Craft knife. Whetstone. Sandpaper. Safety goggles. Electrical tape. Soldering iron. Solder. Roller. Axe. Hoe. Shovel. Spade. Rake. Stapler. Tape measure. Ruler. Scraper. Trowel. Multimeter.